Good morning and Assalamu alaikum class 4. I hope you all are fine. I am your maths teacher Miss Dureshewar. This is your maths lecture. As today is Friday, so let me tell you one thing that reciting Durood Ibrahimi is the most beloved act because Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and all the angels in heaven, they all recite Durood Ibrahimi. So I hope you all will recite Durood Ibrahimi at least once today. Okay? Recite it and then pray for yourself and for your country, for your family, and for your school. Boys, open your notebooks, prepare your pages, write topic, decimal, revision. If you do not have notebooks, do not panic. You can do your work on sheets and then you can paste your work when you get back your notebook. Okay? Today is Friday 18 December 2020. Always remember the height of 0 and the height of 2 must be same because it is 0, not O. Okay? Let me tell you, and we all should revise our definition of decimal. Decimal is a special fraction that have 10, 100, 1000 and power of 10 as a denominator. Okay, so let us start an activity. We will always start our work from an activity because now we are doing revision and I want you all to revise your concept and make your concept clear. If you have any problem, you can ask me. Okay? Write the place value of the circle digit, and I have told you boys that we have made a place value chart. Okay? So I have again made a place value chart. This is the decimal point. This is ones, tens, 100. This is 10th. It means this number is divided by 10. This is 100th. This number is divided by 100. This is 1000th. This number is divided by 1000. Okay. So let's see the first number. It is 6.56. Okay. It is 6.56. Here you can see this is the second number after decimal point. Okay. After decimal point, the second number's place value is 100th. So let's write it. Boys, I will write SOL over here. Over here you can see SOL and I will write HUNDREDTH as it is 100th, and you can also write 6 over 100. Okay, so that you can know that what is the place value of it, or you can even write 600th. Okay, the next one is 21.201. As we all know, we have to read the digits after decimal point separately. I cannot read it 201. I have to read it 201. So this is the next digit after decimal point. After decimal point, the next digit is 10th. Okay. So let me write over here. So here you can see boys, I have written 2/10th, or you can write it as 2 over 10. So you can remember it. The next one is 188.163 as it is the second digit, and we all know in the decimal place value, second digit after decimal point is 100th. So how many hundredth is have? It have 600th. Let us write SOL, that is 600th. HUNDREDTH, 100th. Okay, so next sums are up to you. I will not solve because I want you all to revise and do something by yourself. It is 61.112. It is 130.925. Here you have to tell the place value of 6. Here you have to tell the place value of 9. 127.001. Here you have to tell the place value of 7. This is 328.01. Here you have to tell the place value of 3. And the last one is 12.112. So here you have to tell the value of this one. Okay boys. Next we will move toward the question of exercise.